also type 2 na. Third equation. Evaluate integral of x plus 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1 dx. This is in the form of px plus q by. This is in the form of integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay. Type 2. Root over. Okay. This is the type 2. Here also we are applying the same formula. We take px plus q is equal to. We take px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c plus b. In the type 2 also we are applying the same formula, that is px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Here px plus q is equal to x plus and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay, substitute these two here. That implies px plus q, that is x plus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c, that is x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 plus b. Okay, a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. After that we take the differentiation. D by dx means differentiation with respect to x. This is taken as it is. LHS is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus x plus 1. D by dx of differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of x is 1. Constant differentiation is 0. No need of writing. Plus b is taken as it is. After the differentiation step is we take it as 1 compulsory. Okay. After the differentiation step is we take it as 1 compulsory. That implies x plus 1 is equal to this capital A is a transfer inside. That is 2ax minus a plus b. Okay. 2ax minus a plus b. Here we need capital A and capital B values. How we get capital A and capital B values? Comparing like terms on both sides. Here we have the two comparisons. One is the x coefficient, another one is the constant. Here x coefficient is this side, x coefficient is 2a. Here in this side x coefficient is 1. So comparison, from that we get capital A value. After that comparing the constant on both sides. Here constant is minus a plus b. Here constant is 1. From that we get the b value. From that we get totally capital A and capital B values. Okay. Now comparing like terms. First comparing the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x implies here x coefficient is 2a. This side x coefficient is 2a. Here x coefficient is 1. From this we get capital A is equal to this 2 is a transfer this side. Capital A is we get 1 by 2. We get a capital A value. Next after that we need capital B. Next comparing constant on both sides. What are the constants here? This side constant is minus a plus b. This side constant is 1. So minus a plus b is equal to 1. Minus a plus b is equal to 1 means here already we have a value. That a value is 1 by 2. Substitute here. That is minus 1 by 2 plus b is take it as it is b is equal to 1. That implies b is equal to 1. This minus 1 by 2 is to take that side. That is becomes plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 2. From this we get capital A and capital B values. From this we get capital A and capital B values. Substitute capital A and capital B in equation 1. Okay. Substitute capital A and capital B in equation 1. Equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is equation 1. That implies x plus 1 is equal to, equation 1 is x plus 1 is equal to, a is we get 1 by 2. Substitute here a value, that is 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 plus b is 3 by 2. Plus b is 3 by 2. From this we get x plus 1 value. Where is x plus 1? X plus 1 is in the numerator. Substitute this expression in the numerator place. Now take the problem. What is the problem? Integral of x plus 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1 dx. Root over x square minus x plus 1. Here x plus 1 is we get 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2. In place of x plus 1, substitute this expression directly. In place of x plus 1, substitute this expression directly. Where is x plus 1? In the numerator place, we have x plus 1. Substitute this expression here. From this we get integral of x plus 1 is we get 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole divided by, don't get confused now. In the numerator place, substitute this directly. In the numerator place, substitute this directly. Where is x plus 1? X plus 1 is in the numerator. Substitute this expression directly. After the denominator is, take it as it is. After the denominator is, we have x square minus x plus 1 whole dx. This is take it as it is directly. That implies now take the splitting. That means this divided by this divided by this. That implies integral of 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1 whole divided by denominator term. That is x square minus x plus 1 plus, here we have plus, so I am taking plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2, in the numerator we have 3 by 2, by denominator take it directly, that is x square minus x plus 1 whole dx. Integration whole dx. Here we have the two functions. One is this function, another one is this. Okay? Integrating to each function separately. Integrating to each function separately, that implies integral of this function. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, so I am taking out first. After that, remaining numerator is 2x minus 1 by, denominator is root over x square minus x plus 1. After the integration we are writing dx. After the integration we are writing dx. Here plus we have, so I am making plus. Integrating to this function also. Here 3 by 2 is a constant, so I am taking out. 3 by 2 is a take out. Remaining integral of 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now integral of 1 by 2 into integral of 2x minus 1 by this. This is in the form of f dash of x by root f of x. How it is? X square minus x plus 1 differentiation is, x square differentiation is 2x. Minus x differentiation is minus 1. After one constant differentiation is 0. So suppose this is taken as f of x, this is taken as f of x, this becomes f dash of x. F of x differentiation is f dash of x. 2x square minus x plus 1 differentiation is 2x minus 1. So this is in the form of integral of f dash of x by root f of x. We have the formula. What is that formula? Integral of f dash of x by root f of x dx is equal to already we have the formula. This is in the form of 1 by root x dx. Integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x. That is formula is 2 root f of x plus c. Here f of x is what now? X square minus x plus 1. Substitute that formula here. That implies 1 by 2 is a constant, take it as is. This is in the form of integral of f dash of x by root f of x. That is 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x is x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 is, take it as is. This is 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1. Actually this is converted into 1 by root over a square minus x square completing square law. 1 by root over a square minus x square or a square plus x square or x square minus x square minus a square. For that we have considered this function. Consider this integration is completed. Take it as it is. No need of change. 3 by 2. Now integration of this is first consider this root over function. Here root over function is x square minus x plus 1. That is x square minus x plus 1. Okay. First here this is converted into a square minus x square. Actually this is converted into a square minus x square or a square plus x square or x square minus a square. This is converted into these three forms. Whatever this. For the conversion we have the steps. First step is this is taken in order. That order is ax square plus bx plus c. Already this is in order. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. No need of writing first step. Next second step is keep always x square coefficient is 1. In this expression already we have the x square coefficient is 1. So no need of writing the second step also. Next third step is, what is the third step? What is the third step? Add and subtract with x coefficient by 2 whole square. X coefficient by 2 whole square. Okay? Adding and subtracting with something number. For finding that number we have the formula. That formula is x coefficient by 2 whole square. Here x coefficient is, what is x coefficient? X coefficient is minus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 1 by 2 whole square can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. Why? Because minus whole square is 1 positive. Minus 1 whole square is